Hello guys, Manoj this side once again and welcome to yet another new video today on this channel, where today we are going to discuss more about how to generate leads for your email marketing, right? As you know that in this channel we discuss more about getting clients and how to grow your business. So we are now running this series called email marketing. So in this series we are going to completely talk about how you can get clients using email marketing, and today we are discussing about how to get leads for your email marketing approach, right? So the point number one is using lead finding softwares. Yes, there are a lot of lead finding softwares out there like scrap.io, coldlead.io, apollo, snow.io. A lot of them out there. I'm not specifying I'm not been sponsored by any of them, but these are the best so far, the industry knows. Yes, there are even more lead finding softwares, but this is you get the idea, right? This is the thing that we use email finding softwares, from where we get the email IDs and the name and other details of the prospects, right? So this is one thing that you should use to find email or leads. I should preferably say that you should find leads, their email IDs, their contact details, right? So use email finding softwares. So point number two is you can use the enrichment feature of some of the softwares as well. So what is the difference between an enrichment feature and leads finder, right? So basically there are tools softwares who have extension of Chrome, Google Chrome, or any browser that actually scraps the email from database like LinkedIn or maybe other websites, right? Majorly LinkedIn is used, and even sometimes Facebook is also used to scrap the emails. So this is one thing that you can do with lead finding softwares. Another thing is called the enrichment. So what is enrichment is some of the softwares like Snow, Apollo, they give you their inbuilt directory from where you can search leads. So if you go to Snow, right, you can just go to lead generation or the enrichment feature, and you can type in the industry name or the some softwares have industry names, some software have domain names. So they will ask certain details, and after that they will give you an entire list of the industries websites, their domain names, their email IDs, their even some social accounts as well, right? Depending on the plans you have on those software, right? So this is the main thing that you should be focusing on when you are actually trying to get leads from those enrichment features, right? So enrichment feature is another thing that you can use to get the leads, the quality leads. I'm not saying only leads, I'm saying quality leads. Next is one thing that we used in the beginning of our journey is the MyIP method. You can find this on YouTube, right? There are a couple of videos on YouTube about this. What is Shopify MyIP method? So basically what happens is all those Shopify domains that get registered through whether they are bought from anywhere, but when they are actually registered with Shopify, it creates a custom IP for them. So actually with this MyIP method, you can find the IP address of a store, and eventually you can use some softwares to get their emails, right? So this is another trick that we used to use previously. Some people also use it right now. If you are a beginner or you don't want to spend a lot of money on the softwares, you can use the MyIP method of Shopify. You might find a good video on YouTube about that explain how to use this method, because if I try to explain this on this video, it will be pretty much longer. Next thing that you can use is the hunter.io website. There is an option called tech lookup option. So you can go to hunter.io/tech lookup. So it will what it will give you is again a kind of an enrichment feature list also, right? So where you can choose the software you want to extract leads from. So say for example, you go to the website hunter.io slash tech lookup, it will ask you for a software. So choose Shopify or BigCommerce or Magento, whatever you want in the niche that you want, right? And then it will ask you for the industry, say for example the niches, right? Beauty, fitness, education, whatever you want to find. Then the language, and then you'll see that how many leads are like possibly over there on that particular niche and with that language setting and with that software, right? And you can just download up to 5,000 for free, right? You'll get the domains over there, and again you need to use some softwares to get the email IDs from those domains. So it is another free way of generating good amount of leads. You can generate up to 5,000 leads n number of times. There is no limit of how many you want to export, how many lists you want to export. But again, there you get only the domains, not the email. So you need another software to actually extract the emails. Now let's move on to point number 5, that is scrapping email from social media. So there are a lot of free groups out there where you can join, and you can see that in your niche a lot of big people will be most of the time giving away some sort of lead magnets, and some people will give their email IDs over there, right? So this is kind of a scammy way or a spammy way, right? And obviously it needs a lot of manual work, but you can find good email IDs, valid email IDs on those post comments, right? Even there are some tools to scrap actually, some extensions of Chrome or Firefox to scrap those leads from social media, specifically from LinkedIn. There are tons of different even some big softwares like Snow, Scrap.io, they give you their extension to scrap leads from LinkedIn, right? So you can use those as well. Now let's move on to the last point of today, that is obviously running ads. Running ads is the best way to generate leads, because you get quality leads, because these are the people who have seen your ads, came on your landing pages and given you the emails. That means they are super qualified, they are interested in what you are providing. So there cannot be any better leads than those, because they are generated leads, not scrapped or just taken out of social media, right? So these are the major ways you can use to generate leads. As I said, that no software is guaranteeing you quality result, because these are all scrapped or generated from the directories directly. So maybe some of these emails can be invalid or catch-all type of emails as well. So I always recommend filtering them through email validation software. Otherwise, what happens in cold emailing is, the more you get into the spam or promotions folder of the client prospect, eventually Google, Microsoft and Yahoo, all these services, they start blocking your emails, sending you to the spam, and eventually your domain reputation will be getting worse, right? So I always recommend having email validation software, and go put all of your leads through that software, so that you get only valid ones, not the invalid, not the catch-all even, right? Some people include the catch-all, but I recommend not using them, because they will land your email on the promotions or the spam folder, right? So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, just hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, because I upload this kind of client getting videos always on this channel. And this is a series of email marketing going on, so a couple of more videos are going to come. If you are interested, and if you are doing cold outreach for whatever service you are doing online, this is the channel for you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Manu this side, signing off. Bye bye.